Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties. Article 2, Use of Terms, 1. For the purposes of the present convention. A. Treaty means an international agreement concluded between states in written form and governed by international law, whether embodied in a single instrument, or in two or more related instruments, and whatever its particular designation. B. Ratification, acceptance, approval, and accession mean in each case the international act so named whereby a state establishes on the international plane its consent to be bound by a treaty. C. Full powers means a document emanating from the competent authority of a state designating a person or persons to represent the state for negotiating, adopting or authenticating the text of a treaty, for expressing the consent of the state to be bound by a treaty, or for accomplishing any other act with respect to a treaty. D. Reservation means a unilateral statement, however phrased or named, made by a state, when signing, ratifying, accepting, approving or acceding to a treaty, whereby it purports to exclude or to modify the legal effect of certain provisions of the treaty in their application to that state. E. Negotiating state means a state which took part in the drawing up and adoption of the text of the treaty. F. Contracting state means a state which has consented to be bound by the treaty, whether or not the treaty has entered into force. G. Party means a state which has consented to be bound by the treaty, and for which the treaty is in force. H. Third state means a state not a party to the treaty. I. International organization means an intergovernmental organization. 2. The provisions of paragraph 1 regarding the use of terms in the present convention are without prejudice to the use of those terms, or to the meanings which may be given to them in the internal law of any state.